If I asked you to think about what a stable and comfortable future means, owning a home would likely be part of the picture. However, unlike in the past, when people's lives followed a more predictable path, today's homeowners face a very different financial climate. For some, buying a property has been a mixed blessing or even a major regret. We are talking about a group of people known as mortgage prisoners, who bought their homes when the market for loans was less regulated. It all started in 2008, when these unsuspecting buyers were approached by brokers offering them opportunities to get a mortgage with no proof of income. Nowadays, these high-interest or interest-only mortgages are referred to as zombie loans. Those who took them got a nasty surprise soon after, when their providers hiked up repayment rates, leaving them struggling or unable to pay. Even after all these years, the situation continues, and there are about 195,000 homeowners affected by it in the UK. Some are stuck because their former lenders no longer offer mortgages and cannot give them a better deal. Others have had their mortgages passed on to new lenders who do not want to give them more convenient options because they no longer meet their criteria. Lastly, some cannot find a mortgage provider because of their age, low income, or credit score. Their situation is getting even worse due to rising interest rates, and some were hit so hard they had to start cutting back on essentials, including food, to afford their repayments. Others decided to cash in their pension and sell off their home once they paid it off because it became a financial burden. So, is there any hope to escape the mortgage prison? Fortunately, the answer is yes. Financial Conduct Authority, the ex-financial watchdog, researched the issue and started to reach out to lenders, asking them to consider updating their criteria for people who are close to meeting their conditions. They estimated that about 60,000 mortgage prisoners are in a position where they could switch their lender and get a better deal, which is well deserved after years of being exploited. As it happens, the biggest changes were a result of a fight that mortgage prisoners took upon themselves. First, they gathered in online communities which turned into a non-profit organization which has been campaigning to raise awareness and lobby for better rights. They lobbied the government and achieved a number of regulatory changes which allowed more people trapped by inconvenient subprime loans to get better deals. Although the battle is not over and there is still a lot that needs to be improved, many home buyers who were struggling are now in a much better situation and on the right track to pay off their loans.